Okay, you guys, we have 3 huge X flares heading towards the Earth, and they are going to combine together to create a Cannibal CMEs. So you guys better be on the lookout because this energy is going to be massive. Check this video out.
There are 3 big waves of solar energy headed towards Earth at this moment in time, and they're going to combine into a single energy spike on February 13th. Now, this will trigger a significant geomagnetic storm. And what's interesting about all this is that we are already in the midst of a proton radiation storm, and this impact is expected to funnel most of its energy towards a known supervolcano, the Cannibal supervolcano. So let's dive right in. We see this NOAA space weather model here, and we see this very large wave of energy that was launched from the sun. This is a coronal mass ejection, but it's actually 3 coronal mass ejections combined. So we have one wave, and then there's a second, and then this third wave, which was launched, is actually the fastest of the 3, creating a Cannibal CME, that's what it's called, cannibalizes the others. And then this all impacts the Earth on the 13th. Peak impact is from 3 to 5 a.m. UTC time, so correct for your location on the planet. But this entire peak there is 3 to 10 a.m. UTC time. So a significant geomagnetic impact and storm coming our way, and this is already, of course, in the midst of this proton radiation storm. We will look at that data in just a little bit, but you can see just how these waves individually aren't that significant on their own. The first 2 were from the lens of the sun, but then that third one launched exactly Earth direct and at a very high velocity, brings all that plasma together, creating that energy spike. We see this go very high up there, all the way beyond 60 in terms of the density, and we also see an increase in the velocity too. So this is not only a plasma density increase that the Earth will be experiencing, but also a big shock in terms of the solar wind velocity. So this again is expected to trigger a fairly significant geomagnetic storm. We are not at solstice anymore. The Earth is the most protected from solar wind and space weather events during the solstices because of its arrangement, its tilt. But during equinox, you have the most connection between the Earth and the interplanetary magnetic field and space weather. So it's not solstice anymore, it's not equinox, we just passed that midway point. So there is an increasing connection to space weather events. So this is expected to be quite significant. It's hard to put an exact scale rating on these sort of geomagnetic impacts because recently we've had a whole bunch of coronal mass ejections come in and they haven't triggered significant geomagnetic storms, but this one looks quite significant because it's not only 1 or 2 waves, it's actually 3 waves of energy that are coming.
You guys heard that, right? So because we're not in solstice or in equinox, we are more vulnerable to these energies. So it's literally going to be a big one after another, and then combining together to create a Cannibal CME. So you have no idea what to expect on the 13th. You guys really got to be up on your beverages, your juices, your waters, and all that type of stuff. Make sure you are vibrating high because this energy is coming to knock things out, and auroras are going to be possible. You know what I'm saying? So much so, like today was a blue sky day, and it's already gray. So they know what's coming, you guys. They know what's coming. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I am only raising awareness to interesting situations during these interesting times. Let me know what you guys think about this video. How are you guys feeling out there? Because I got so many people telling me they are feeling all kinds of ways because something big is coming. Leave your comments down below. Like, share, and follow for more videos like this. Keep up with me on my other accounts, especially my YouTube, where I go deeper on the esoteric level at these topics at hand. We end this shift, y'all. Let's get it. Peace in.